Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. Welcome back to Best in Beauty, a series where I take you to the most popular places for your beauty needs. In today's episode, I've booked in to get my nails done at one of the most popular salons in Sydney called CJ Artistry. It's a beauty salon ran by two sisters, Cassie and Jade, and they follow the latest nail trends. You can see the work all over Instagram. Kind of gives me Kylie Jenner and Khloe Kardashian vibes, so I'm excited to go see them today. This is CJ Artistry located in Granville. When I arrived, Jade had a look at my nails. We decided to do something different today and do sculpted acrylic extensions in a tapered square shape, since I've never tried that shape before. Apparently it's very in at the moment and it's one of their most popular sets. So first she got started with the removal process. I have gel on my nails, so Jade is removing the top layer with her drill bit and e-file. Then she's going to soak them in remover. After about 10 minutes, she checked on the progress, but my gel didn't lift up that much, so to speed things up, she removed the remaining gel with her e-file. Next, Jade is cleaning up the cuticle areas with her drill bit. This helps to lift and remove any dead keratin on the nail plate, and also helps to push back the cuticles, creating a nicer shape. Now, because we're doing acrylic extensions today, Jade's going to trim my natural nails down. Some people like to leave theirs long, but mine naturally curve inwards as they grow, so I don't want that underneath my extensions. I prefer to have a clean canvas to work on, and so we're cutting them short. Say goodbye to them. Now Jade is gently buffing up my nail plate so that the surface is rough. That way the acrylic extension can adhere to my nails. This is important so that the product doesn't lift later on. After that, Jade applies the nail forms, which she's going to use to create the extensions on top. A prep and primer solution is then applied on my nail plate. I opted for a pinky nude colored acrylic, and Jade gets started with sculpting my nails. And you can see Jade is slowly building up the structure and shape of the nail here. She uses several acrylic beads to get the desired shape and length, and then this is repeated for each nail. I'm not very good at acrylic, so I love watching people do it. There's just something so therapeutic about it, you know? And that in itself is an art form. It takes lots and lots of practice to be able to perfect this. To speed things up, I also had Cassie, which is Jade's sister, working on my other hand, so I was being double pampered on both sides. It was the best. Once the acrylic has hardened, the forms are then removed and each nail can be filed and shaped. So like I mentioned before, we're going for like a square, a tapered square look, which is very in at the moment. You've probably seen Kylie Jenner sporting this type of nail shape. So now that my extensions are done, we can move on to the nail art design, which Cassie is going to do. For the design, we're opting for a colourful pastel French with a deep smile line and abstract swirls on top. So first, Cassie is mapping out the French tip designs. She's using a long liner brush for this. And for each nail, she's doing a different color. Look how cute it is already. I love the color combinations. So once all the French tip gel color has cured, Jade paints on the colorful swirls on top to add a pop of color to enhance each nail. That's all cured and the design is sealed with a gel top coat. One last file is done to make sure that the shape of my nails are on point. Then they apply their very own cuticle oil to help nourish the skin around my nails. And ta-da! Here's what my nails look like. What do you guys think? I absolutely love the color they've chosen. It's fun, cute, and brightens up my day. Now, if you're wondering how much this set would cost, this would fall under their bougie set and will cost you about $240, which includes the sculpted acrylic extensions. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Big thanks to Jade and Cassie for doing my nails today. I love seeing other artists at work and seeing their unique designs come to life. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Ba-dum-bum